So what you can do is you can take 4 or 5 servers, for example, let's say server 1, server 2, server 3, and you can build or design your own load balancer in your favorite language. Hi all, this is me Karan. So in this particular video, I'm gonna talk about one of the very frequently occurring problems which I feel like everyone or anyone can face. So I'll try to explain how you can overcome from this particular scenario and how you can learn advanced stuff around software engineering. So very recently I was talking to one of the guy working in Cisco, and he was saying that Karan, I'm working in Cisco and my tech stack is mostly around C++, but in my regular life I'm mostly fixing bug, figuring out how the things are happening and adding some minor feature. So 99% of the time I'm working around these kind of things, and I feel like I'm not learning advanced stuff. For example, let's say I have to build some system from the scratch, how to build that. I'm unable to learn things around that. So this kind of situation can happen to anyone. So I'll try to explain how you can overcome from this situation and how you can learn the advanced stuff. Let's say you are a C++ developer and in your day-to-day life you are working around some system, and that system is microservices based. Let's say now you want to learn how two microservices communicate to each other. So what you can do is very similar to your system. You build two microservices, microservice 1 and microservice 2, and try to make communication between them and try to understand how that communication is taking place. Now you can do different kind of experiments around it. So this is one of the ways you can learn advanced stuff. That is, you are building some dummy application, and using that dummy application you are trying to do experiment, and that way you are trying to learn different kind of things. And so let's say you want to learn about load balancers. So in real life what happens most of the time is load balancer kind of stuff is done once, and once that entire system is designed, no one is gonna touch the code base around that. Instead of that, if there will be some kind of minor bug, we'll fix that bug, but we will never write load balancer again from the scratch. So that way you will not get chance to learn the core logic behind load balancer. So let's say now you want to learn how you can design your own load balancer to manage the load among different servers. So what you can do is you can take 4 or 5 servers, for example, let's say server 1, server 2, server 3, and you can build or design your own load balancer in your favorite language. Let's say you are working around C++, then you can design that load balancer in C++ itself, and now you can try connecting that load balancer with all the servers, and that load balancer will make sure that all the servers are receiving requests in equal amount. Let's say 10 users are there and you want to send equal number of requests to all the servers, then that load balancer should make sure that all the servers are receiving equal load. So that way you will get to know how you can design the load balancer from the scratch. So this is another example to understand how you can build the system from the scratch. So I hope you will take very similar kind of approaches to learn the advanced stuff around software engineering. And in case you are aware of some other approach, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be super happy to know your approach. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.